Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about our good old friend Caspa. Shout out to the Caspa community for showing tremendous amount of love. Continue supporting, and you will see the continuation of these updates. But as we are obviously in Sunday, we are seeing a little bit of a minor pullback for the broader market. But just a continuous reminder, if you're looking at it on the monthly time frame, you are seeing a lot of coins up, quite substantially. We did see a little bit of a minor pullback as we did start off the month of October, but we're starting to see coins pick up traction once again. But as far as Caspa is concerned, the price is currently sitting at 13.2 cents, down about 0.4% in USD, but we're up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at about 3.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $25.6 million. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, I was reading one comment stating the fact that, the market cap for Caspa is too large, considering, the trading volume that Caspa has. And again, this was coming from someone that is new to the markets. And, that's a great, obviously, point to be making. And I'm sure anyone that holds Caspa knows about that, due to the fact that it's not listed on big centralized exchanges, which of course, still tends to be one of the focal points as far as, conversation, starter for Caspa. A lot of people say, why isn't it not listed on decentralized exchanges? But what can you do, right? That some consider that as a risk factor, which I think is honestly considered a risk factor because, of course, that brings in lower liquidity. So we got to look at it from that point of view, but let me know down below what you guys think. But let's take a closer look and see what really is happening with Caspa as we are closing out the weekend. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, first and foremost, I want you guys to take a look at Bitcoin dominance. You guys are looking at Bitcoin dominance currently sitting at 58.01%. It has seen a little bit of an uptick within its, percentage. Obviously, it shouldn't be a surprise because we have seen our good old friend BTC see a little bit of a minor pullback, which we can clearly see right now. Bitcoin did make its way down to $62,000, but has seen a little bit of a bounce since then. But it's very, very important for the price of Bitcoin to make its way back above $64,000. And again, I know, the viewers on my channel are probably like, this ZX sounds like a broken record at this point, and which is absolutely true. But it is extremely, extremely important for the price of Bitcoin to sit above 64K, which we are getting closer and closer to. But anyhow, if you're looking at Caspa, it is going to react with the market momentum, especially due to the fact that it has seen a little bit of a lag within its price. It's more than ever going to have an impact with the price of Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin saw a little bit of a minor pullback, you can see we have seen the price of Caspa making its way back below the key resistance. And speaking about the key resistance, yesterday we know that it was back above to that 14.1 cents mark, exactly what we projected on the channel. But since then, with this Bitcoin move, we have seen the price of Caspa drop in a staggering almost 9%. This tells you how much lag there really is for the price of Caspa. The fact that we have dropped 9% since yesterday tells you everything. So now what I want you guys to understand is we're sitting below that key resistance once again. And that's obviously something I've been speaking about, where you don't really want to see the price of Caspa sitting. But we're sitting below it right now because of the Bitcoin move. And if Bitcoin drops below this key support line, maybe makes its way down to that 59K mark, I think we could see Caspa dropping even lower than, the October lows that we set for ourselves. So, the lag is still definitely there. We're not seeing that switch event happening right now, but maybe that can happen, in the near future if Bitcoin starts making its way up to 66,000. What would be really alarming is if Bitcoin bounces up to these levels and, Caspa still remains within this range. That would be a big, alarm in my opinion. that would show extreme negativity within its price. And already it has shown extreme negativity within its price, but that would be something that wouldn't be too well. But again, obviously, we're going to take it one step at a time. I believe that Caspa still has a lot of hype factor, as far as, the upwards trajectory goes. It's still in this upwards trend. I still think it has what it takes to push towards all-time highs. Look what happened to Sui. Sui's absolutely going crazy now. Pretty much same category, both layer one projects. But look what Sui went through, and look where Sui is at now. So these are some factors that we need to consider. I'm not saying that Caspa will replicate a Sui move. That's not what I'm saying by any means. But wouldn't be surprised, based off of what I personally think. But obviously, right now it's really, really important for the price of Caspa to stay above this key resistance. If not, lower prices could be in play, especially with Bitcoin seeing minor pullbacks. But let me know down below what you guys think. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. You guys are absolutely killing it with the support. Cannot thank you enough. Your support means the world to me. And yeah, stay safe out there. Relax. Sometimes it's better to not look at the screens 24/7. Promise you, it's not always good to look at the screens. Maybe it's time to go spend it with the loved ones, or just relax, because trust me, you need it. But anyhow, we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.